Today I'm going to run the mulcher. I ran it on the V1000 a few weeks ago. Today I'm going to run it on this little gas-powered 450 and see if it works. But I'm going to do some maintenance to it first because I kind of beat on it. I'm going to clean all the stuff out of the sides. I'm going to replace the back flap, which Dean from Derette sent me new flaps because I trashed mine. And I'll make sure it's all greased and it's ready for today. Up here. So this is run by a belt. Let's see all this debris. It'd probably be okay. I just think it'd be better if I didn't have all that debris inside here with that belt spinning. So the hydraulic motor's up top and that turns, but that turns a rubber belt. So this is something that you have to keep an eye on this mulcher to make sure that the belt doesn't get worn. So again on this, there's a grease fitting right here with a tube that goes into the drum on this side. So we want to make sure we keep that greased up. So we need to get this cover on. So I'm feeling good about this side. So next I need to replace this flap. Looks like it's held on just with a little strip of metal. I'm going to pull that off. So this is what's left of my little rubber. This is the new rubber. So it looks like I got to punch holes in it and then we'll get that thing on. So I'm going to lay it on my makeshift workbench. And it looks like it's about centered. There's where my holes go. Looks like about the same size as this. That's what I'm gonna go with. Wow, that's some serious material. I thought I'd just pop right through like fabric. Okay, so I cleaned all the dirt out of both sides. I've got my new flap on to protect debris from flying into my face. And I think we're in good shape to run this thing today. While we're digging into it, I'm gonna pull this off. So underneath this cover is just a standard drive motor of some sort, and there's a grease fitting right here. So I'm glad I pulled that off because I need to hit that grease fitting while it's off. Okay, so there's a grease fitting here. You're going to want to grease the two spots on the front as well. Good to know. So I've run this for about 3 hours, and I just wanted to check the teeth and see how they look, because I would assume that it would really tear it up, but they actually, besides being really dirty, they actually look like they're in good shape. I don't see any chunks out of them. I don't even see any chips or any divots. They are dirty, but dirt will still mulch. I'm going to bring this thing out and later today, and I'm going to try mulching with this 450 and see if it'll really do it. But anyway, hopefully that this information will help some of you guys. If it is, do me a favor, give a like. If you have any more questions, want to know anything else, leave it in the comments. I'm going to get into some mulching today with this thing, and hopefully I'll have a video to see if this thing works. I keep reading online, there's no possible way it can work. I also hear there's no possible way it can even pick this thing up. Well, it did, and it spins. Will it be the best machine for it? Probably not, but will it work? I'm pretty sure it will. So yeah, if you like this sort of stuff, you want to learn more about these machines, like and subscribe. Besides that, enjoy yourself out here on this beautiful day like I am, and we'll see you on the next one. Thanks.